Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an amazing portfolio in just a few minutes, or maybe even better than this one that you are seeing on your screen. So first take a look at this portfolio. You can see the portfolio that it's my portfolio actually. And you can see the introduction, overview, work experience, how it's coming, and my projects, skills and coding profiles. All of it is there. Guess what? I've created this entirely using just prompts, no coding involved. I simply described the design I had in my mind and it was ready in just a few prompts. And here is the best part, you don't have to even imagine your design if that feels overwhelming to you. I've got a hack for this too. So just stick around. Let's just start from there. For first step, you just need to go to this website v0.dev and then you just need to sign up there and you can just create a new new project from here. And if you have nothing in your mind currently, like if you are unsure where to begin, don't worry, simply just type this prompt: please create a dummy portfolio with simple interface, and watch it as it automatically start building a profile. It's like a real magic, you can see. So it's thinking currently and it's started to create a portfolio for you. You can see it's writing code here. Now you can see you have a basic structure. Okay, the name and other things are not correct yet. So for that, it's time to add your personal information. So here's the tip: you do not need to type for each and everything here. You need not to mention everything about like my name is this, so please correct it. No, just upload your resume here. Just upload. Okay, I'll just upload my resume here and we'll see how it works for updating the information. Now I'll say update the info. Now it should be able to update everything in this portfolio. Okay, now again it's writing the code. It's modifying the code. Now you can see it has updated all the info that I've provided and it's extracted from my resume. Here it looks like resume, but don't worry about that. Now, what about design? If you don't have any specific idea in mind, here's the hack I promised. Go to Google, search for something like data science portfolio examples. You'll find tons of stunning designs there. Take a screenshot of your favorite one, upload it here, and the platform will replicate it for you. Yes, it's that simple. Okay, let's try to Google that. So I have Googled multiple portfolios. So this is datascienceportfolio.io. Here they create portfolio for you. I'm just taking a simple screenshot of this. Let's see if it can design our portfolio like this. Okay, I'm just taking the screenshot of this. This will be our initial design. Now it should be update our like this simple interface. We'll get we should be getting that kind of design. Now it started writing the code again. Here you can see there are no images in the projects and your profile picture as well because we haven't uploaded that, so it can't generate that thing. You can just directly upload those things and it will just manipulate those images as well for you. You can just upload it from this button. You can upload your image or project's image, whatever image you want to put it here. Or once you download this code, whole code, you can just replace these things. Like in project section, you can see the image here. You can just provide your image here. Just replace this thing and provide your image here. It will replace in the original project. So you can see like in just few minutes you will have a professional looking portfolio. perfectly like customized with your data and your design preferences. It's ready to showcase to the world like what you have built currently. You can change the other things as well. Like you can prompt anything about your choice of color. Like I want some vibrant color. So I want to you to add some vibrant my portfolio. Okay, so it will add some colors. And one more thing, if you don't like something or some particular thing in your portfolio, you can just toggle to this. Let's first complete this thing. Okay, now you have got the portfolio with some colors in it. Okay, so you can do a lot of changes in the portfolio, right? But one more thing I wanted to show you. You can just select a particular part that you wanted to change. Like I wanted to change, uh, okay, here. I wanted to change that uh, company should come first, then the role should be under the company name. So it will change that particular of thing. So it's totally customizable. You can just select any part of this portfolio and change it according to you. So it's that flexible. And you can just build it in a minutes. Now you can see unified technology is like you can see here, and data sciences, the scientist is under that unified technology. You can see that we are getting everything right. We are getting the whole uh, portfolio. You can just take a screenshot of my portfolio and just put it here. You can get that kind of portfolio as well. So whatever the kind of you want, and if you have your friend's portfolio that you want to copy or anything or a design you have in your mind, you can just put it there, type it here, and you can get that design and you can get your portfolio ready in just a few minutes. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. So yeah, that's it for today.